Moringa is a superfood. It is high on iron, calcium, fiber, and antioxidants. It also boosts immunity and aids digestion. So today, I'm going to give a nutritional twist to our good old paratha by using these leaves. So let's quickly see the recipe for Moringa Paratha. So the first step is of course to make the dough, and I'm going to show you how to clean the leaves as well. So let's begin. These Moringa leaves have very thin stems. You can pluck out the leaves. Even a few of the stems are there, it's fine. And then rinse them and chop them finely. I have here 1 cup of Moringa leaves that I've chopped up finely. And now into this, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of curd, dry spices, half teaspoon each, turmeric powder, coriander-cumin seed powder, and red chilli powder. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, half teaspoon garlic paste, half a teaspoon of ginger-chilli paste, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1.5 cups of wheat flour, salt to taste, 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Mix all these ingredients together. Add in some water and make a soft dough. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. So now the dough is well rested. Let's start making the parathas. Let's take a portion of this dough, make a ball. Dust the board with some plain flour. Roll the dough out slightly. Drizzle a little bit of oil. Dust it with some plain flour. You can shape it in whatever shape you wish. I'm going to make them into triangles. Dust off the excess flour and let's roast it on a hot pan. After cooking it for a few seconds, flip it over. Apply ghee or oil and roast again. Drizzle a little bit of oil. Flip it over. This is done. In this way, let's make another one. Apply ghee or oil. These parathas are a powerhouse of nutrients. Do try these at home, serve it with some raita, achar or chutney and enjoy. Do subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.